Hey everybody, I am in Kissee Mills, Missouri on our 5-acre property we just purchased and going to begin documenting this journey. We have a goal of putting in one space for a tiny home for possibly my kids to live in, and then we are going to build a home on top of a daylight walkout basement if we can afford to do this. So we're going to document the process and the cost associated with that in Missouri in the year 2024. I'm going to show you the property really quick, and I'm just going to drive through. It's raw land. There is county water on the 5.38 acres, and we paid $50,000 for it, which was very reasonable. I'm going to turn this around and show you. This is the property. It is slightly flat up here on the top. In the Ozarks, it's hard to find anything flat, but the view in the background there is really the reason we bought the property. We could take out a few trees and get a larger view of the Ozarks. The sun does rise right in front of us, so it has wonderful sunrises. Looks like an eagle just flew over in the background. This is potentially the spot for a daylight walkout basement. The drop doesn't look significant, but it actually is pretty significant. There are a lot of wild berries growing here. The property to the left is vacant land. The property to the right is a 1-acre piece with a house on it, and then a 40-acre piece that has a house that is pretty far away from us. Sorry for the bumpy drive, but we don't have a road in yet. We've got bids on a road, on a septic, and we're getting a bid on the daylight walkout basement now. It's a pretty piece of land, mostly cleared, still a lot of hardwoods on the property. Over to the left here, there is a small swampy pond and a wet weather creek. This location is going to possibly be a place for a tiny home. There are no restrictions here. We can put in a tiny home, a mobile home, build on the property, and that's another reason we purchased it. We were looking for a property with no restrictions for quite some time, and we ended up here in Kissee Mills, Missouri. I'm gonna sign out, and the lake is about 3 miles from here, which is pretty cool. It's a hot day in Missouri, so I'll probably go down there and go for a swim. That's another reason why we purchased the property, is we're close to the water. I will update you when we get bids, and be back for episode 2 of building in Missouri on 5 unrestricted acres. Have a good day.